How are you doing, everyone? My name is Robert Boozer, and today I'm going to show you how to build a driveway. Got another truckload of rock coming in. This will be the last one for a while. Crushed concrete. He's going to tailgate it in for me. We got it good enough where he can drive in here now. And let's see how well he does. He did pretty good yesterday. There we go. Alright, so the truck driver just dropped it off, tailgated it in for me, brought in another 21 tons. That's a total of 63 tons I've dropped down here so far. But anyway, we're going to smooth this out, and I thought I'd take you along for the ride. He left me a little bit right here by the culvert, which is going to come in handy because I want to build that up just a little more. And anyway, we'll take a little walk through it. Here's what it looks like before the truck come through, and I don't know how well it's showing up on the camera. So now today we're going to smooth this out and put a little bit of a crown on it so that it'll hold up good to the weather. So anyway, most of what I'm going to use is the tractor for that. Here we go. Okay, so here's my tractor. I've got a Land Pride B1260 box blade on the back of it, and that's what's going to get most of the work done. The tractor itself is a Kubota, and it is an L2501, little 25 horsepower tractor, but it packs a pretty good punch for a small tractor. So it's doing good. Got a bucket on it, can carry about 1,200 pounds with it. Pretty good little workhorse. Okay, so right now I've got all the scare fires down. That way I can dig down into the rock a little bit and loosen it up as I'm using the box blade. But I will probably bring them up to finish it off when I'm done. But for right now, I'll do that. So when I change them over, I'll show you how it's done. Also, after I get, I'm going to start with this kind of level, the box blade. But then I will adjust it so that I can put more of a crown on the road, and I'll show you how that's done also. My first step before I use the box blade is I'm going to take this extra pile of rock that I have right here and get it spread out kind of evenly over the culvert, and then we'll move to the box blade after that. Okay, so now we're going to make some adjustments to the box blade so that it'll put a crown in the driveway. I'll show you how that's done. Okay, so my adjuster's a little too tight to tighten my hand. I'm just going to put, I know I'll probably put some scratches on it, but we're basically going to lengthen this, which will cause this side of the blade to become lower. And that's the side of the blade I'll use against the shoulder. So I'll keep going back and forth, running circles. I'll go up one way, down one side of the driveway, and then when I come back the other way, I'll catch the other side of the driveway. And eventually the shoulders will be lower, and the middle of the road will have a crown in it. So now I don't know whether you notice or not from here, but you can see that the right-hand side of the tractor, the box blade is lower than the left-hand side. So I'm going to have that side on the shoulder and that side on the middle of the road. And then I'll just keep going back and forth till I get my crown I'm looking for. Driveway's looking pretty good right now. I'm going to run the excavator up and down it a couple times, do what they call tracking it in. I'm really just getting some weight on it and packing it down. And the heaviest thing I got is that 19,000 pound excavator. So anyway, we're going to pack it down. Here it comes. Put in 63 tons for driveway. Driveway is just a little over 200 foot long. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep up with the latest progress.